Come on, Fee, you can do it. You don't eat the floor. It's a good thing I cleaned, huh? It's a good thing I mopped today.
Come again.
You can do it. Go get it. Fiona, don't eat the floor. Hi.
Go and get it. Eee. Eee. Papa monkey. Monkey starts with B.
Monkey. Starts with?
P.
No, it's not.
T.
Donkey?
Donkey.
That's not right. What does it start with?
Donkey.
What does it start with?
Donkey. It starts with the
Hey,
D.
Fiona,
D.
go get that monkey.
Donkey. Donkey.
Oh, you found other stuff to play with, huh? Go get it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Maybe put it a little bit closer to her so she thinks she can get to it. If it's so far away, she might not want to grab it. Like right there. Right? No, closer. Closer.